round 3. So these are kind of, I just was on the phone with Carl. We were just chatting. So here's these are, it looks like it's got solar and stuff in here. So the last one I was on, you saw that was, I'm not gonna go in there, people are in there. So they have these decks and stuff. This one's 42 grand. Got the bikes in here. It's more of a toy hauler, I think. Sweet. So it's like a small one, I guess. Shower in the shower, and you got your working bench, as we call it. So there we go. But yeah, this is like more of a toy hauler. Comes on out, and you can hang out in here and put all your stuff in here, your golf clubs and your motorcycle, and where you go, I guess. So sit and eat right here. You got your cooking here and microwave. Better not be too short or you can't get up there. So let's see here. All right. Oh, got the grill right here. I kind of like this grill. Oh, nice little, can hang out and roll omelets on there. Here, stupid brown color. You should be tighter than that. And 2 levels up here. God, it's an ugly brown. Sorry. Holy shit. Nice big TV. Holy moly. Sorry, that's just that brown. Little microwave action. A lot of these fall apart on them too as well. They fall apart. They don't last very long. The ovens go out on it. All this stuff. Put cheap stuff in here. They last a good 1.5 years, and then you're screwed. And then all of a sudden you got to get another one. So what are you gonna do, right? But here's your second floor. Put your header down here. Oh my God. Another header up here with a shower. So more of a storage area if you wanted to. 2 sinks for you and the wife. I don't know. Yeah, this will be out in March. So we're going to be going to Chicago. And 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. This one is 62 grand, 40 grand. Looks like the easy one to pull probably. Got 1 level. Nice little bed over here. This was not bad. More to put storage in here if you want. The deck looks like over here. TV. I don't know. I do like the open area. Got nice TV. Nice big closet. Nice shower. So, not bad. But you just don't make them easy anymore. So it's not bad for whatever. It used to be 62. Now it's allegedly 40. So you know they bring it down. So got your storage stuff underneath here. I don't know if you could put your golf clubs in there. Probably could. Here's your 30 grand right here. Got that thing in the back. 1 level. These look like mainly toy haulers. I don't know. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I like those. Sit here. Hang out. Shower. Easy to get around. Little deck you go out on, so storage area. Nice. Refrigerator. Not bad. Interesting. Room to move. Not bad. But the bathroom's nice. Shower's usable. Not bad. Not bad at all. Seen better, I've seen worse. Here. Oh, yeah. Some of these are pretty interesting to say the least. Let's take a picture of this bad while we're here. The old grill right here. I like this grill right here. Right on down here. 2 for 1. I can take a picture of it at the same time. I was watching that movie, Nebraska. Third time I've seen it. It was such a good movie last night. Since the Olympics are on right now. Yeah, the old Ultimate RV Show. Sit on the deck. We have an open plan here. Walk into here. Open bathroom. The shower's nice. It's not bad. So yeah, it looks like you can sit up there out here on the deck with your buddies. Your chairs. Not bad. Interesting to say the least. Big, these are just huge. We'll go over here. We have a lot of the other ones over here. These just kind of look like the same slide outs. Little grill right there. So a lot of these are the same thing. It's just the same behavior. That's all they are. We'll go over the Class A's. So these are nothing special. Same stuff. You know, these suckers are 114,000.
38.
So this must come down. This goes up, then it comes down. I get it, but the less moving parts, the better. So I think these are toy haulers. I think. So I can see you can put your bike in here, your bikes, and put them in there instead of putting them in the back. So I get it. Smart move. I wouldn't have my bikes in the back. Bicycles, my stuff's all enclosed. 161 grand. So these must be the, again, it kind of comes down. This is the area you hang out in probably with your friends. Usable shower and bathroom. A plausible color, not that ugly brown, deep brown crap here. The color wants to be able to make it so you feel like you want to buy it. You don't feel like you're going to puke. That's a kind of a strange way to bed at, but I don't know. We get to the Coleman ones. The Coleman ones are kind of nice. Kind of cool. We get over to some of the Class B's and Class A's, which are a waste of good suffering in my mind. So these are just toy haulers. I think that's what they are. It's the same thing, different sizes of them. What, 71,000 for that stuff? So I was just over here. You guys saw the last video of these, the bikes. So
yeah, see if they'll give it back.
Here. We'll look at the Coleman here. Look at this bad boy. You want 18 grand for it. You see this again? This is a smaller toy hauler. Kind of like the bed. I mean, I guess bed's right there. You bring your bike in here. Slap it down, and away you go. That's a small. It's a bathroom and a shower. Interesting to say the least. Huh. All right. So you got everything involved here. Bring your bike, your Honda, strap her down, and away you go. You can sleep right here. So not bad. Interesting. Again, some of these, oh God, these motor coaches, even Class A's and stuff. 12 grand for this bad boy. I'll get into these things. These are 156,000. This bad boy. This is like a limo, almost like. It's like a travel with the family wants it. The family trucks too. 150. So that's more of a family. More of a that's like a. Everyone gets in there's like a if you're gonna have like a family going on someplace. These things are a waste of money. It's like I don't get it. They want 144,000 for this. Sale price 85, but 2-year warranty. I just think there's no room in these things at all. I'm sorry. I can get a truck and a nice pole. Not a chance. So, all right, we'll end this one right here. All right.